In this video, I'll show you how to password protect a PDF for free using Stirling PDF. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've already walked you through how to download and install Stirling PDF. Stirling PDF can be hosted locally on Docker and you can access it for all the other reasons if you want to install and all that from the link in the description below. You can download for Windows, Mac Silicon, Linux, and also Mac Intel. Now, since I've already downloaded and installed it, we're going to use it. But before we begin, I do have a PDF with me right here, and I can just double click on it that I want to password protect. So there we go. It's right there. And it's just a simple PDF. Now I'm going to open up Stirling PDF. And once I open it, I'm going to get my file and just drag and drop it right there. So you can see it's opening up. But of importance to us now is to just password protect. I'll navigate to the right and scroll down to the bottom, add password, click on that, and you'll see the file you're going to be adding the password to and also the password and encryption. I'll just enter my user password 1234 and then owner password 1234. As for the encryption key length, I'm just going to leave it at standard 128-bit and click on encrypt. Once I do that, that PDF is already saved, but I'll need to click on save again. And if you actually access our PDF from here and just double click on it, you're going to see it's going to be requesting us to input a password 1234 to open that particular PDF, which is super nice. And that is how you can use Stirling PDF to password protect your PDF for free. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.